How to log in to your PayPal account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and then in search address bar type down PayPal and navigate to the PayPal's official website. Once inside the official website of the PayPal, you will get to see login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the login. Now, once inside the login page, all you have to do is enter the email and password of the people you are trying to log in with. Simply enter your email and password and tap on the login button available there, or you can simply log in using the one-time code. All you have to do is enter the code that has been sent to your mobile number. If you have forgotten your password, then once you enter the code, you will be logged into your PayPal account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.